My wonderful mom who kept us healthy with all these lovely grandma remedies and gave us so much wisdom.
Sometimes your bronchitis can flare up and you can get a very persistent cough like this. A fantastic grandma remedy for cough, available right in your kitchen. Highly effective, and these are the ingredients. You need full cinnamon sticks, cloves, full pepper pods, ginger, turmeric, and salt to taste. And we'll show you how to make this really effective remedy for cough. So we take all the ingredients we showed you earlier and 2 glasses of water. Put all the ingredients in the water and let it boil till it reaches half its quantity and the color darkens to a dark brown. This can be used both for cough and for cold. A very potent and effective grandma remedy.
When the weather is really hot and you can feel the heat building up inside your body, one of the best ways to cool down is to have kokum sharbat. Kokum is also known as Garcinia indica in English. How to make this sharbat? You would need black kokum, sugar, salt, and it's optional, you can add roasted cumin seeds. What you need to do is boil the black kokum along with the sugar and salt in 2 cups of water. Let the syrup thicken, and once the syrup thickens, then you can cool it down and blend it in the blender. That becomes your kokum concentrate. To have kokum sharbat or juice, take 2 spoons of kokum concentrate and put it in 1 glass of water and stir it nicely and drink it. This will reduce the heat in your body drastically. Another delicious and cooling juice during summer is kairi ka panna, or this is raw mango juice. It is not only delicious but it's extremely coolant for the body and will bring the heat in your body down. How to make it is there are multiple ways of making it, of either with jaggery or white sugar. I will just give you a simple recipe with white sugar. Take this raw mango, peel the skin off, and then steam cook it in a pressure cooker. Once you remove the pressure from the pressure cooker, you can remove it and squeeze out all the main pulp from the curry and throw out the main seed. Add to that sugar, a little bit of cardamom powder, a little bit of black salt. Mix it together and blend it in the blender. Now your kairi panna concentrate is ready. When you actually want to make the juice, you can add the concentrate, 2 spoons of the concentrate to 1 glass of water. Mix it thoroughly and you can blend it in the blender for it to mix well, and serve it with some mint leaves on the top. This is a delicious raw mango juice which will keep you cool, as well as it is a healthy juice. On a hot summer day, this delicious drink can really cool you down. It is buttermilk, or what Indians call lassi, but with a twist. It not only has yogurt, but it also contains basil leaves and mint leaves to add that extra cooling effect. Drink this and get all the heat in your body down. And of course, in summer, don't forget to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables which have water, like cucumber and mashmelon. With mashmelon, you can also make mashmelon juice, which is refreshing and delicious and very cooling as well.